In Turkey's poverty conditions, natural gas is not burned and there is no heating of any kind. That is why you will see me dressed tightly in some of my videos. I salute everyone who dresses like this and doesn't burn natural gas at home because of the Turkish government's transfer of capital from the people to the rich. We become beautiful when we stay outside the wheels of exploitation. Please never be ashamed of it. Yes, let's move on to today's topic. Unfortunately, the history of civilization, not humanity, is the history of war, blood, and barbarism. For about 10-15,000 years, war has been the fate of the world, dominated by the ruling classes. Many of the tools we use around us were produced for military purposes. The lighter is one of them. The lighter was invented before the match. It was invented to ignite gunpowder for military purposes and later used to light cigarettes and similar products. The first lighters known today were invented in Europe in the 16th century and were used in firearms to ignite gunpowder. In 1662, the Turkish traveler Evliya Çelebi visited Vienna as an Ottoman diplomatic mission member and admired the lighters produced there. The small lighters of the period were invented by German chemist Johann Wolfgang Dobereiner in 1823 and dubbed Dobereiner's lamp. In Anatolia, Muhtars were the first to have access to this lighter as they often went to town. These lighters are known as Muhtar lighters in Anatolia. Owning a lighter was initially a class status and sign of wealth. The working class used matches. With the widespread use of stoves and cigarettes, matches overtook the lighter. Matchstick. It is prepared by breaking the wooden material obtained from the tree to matchstick size and impregnating it with paraffin to facilitate combustion. A mixture of sulfur and potassium chloride is attached to these matchsticks with the help of glue. British scientists invented the match in 1809. This tiny instrument consisted only of a small piece of sulfurized wood with one end dipped in a mixture of potassium chlorate. To ignite it, it had to be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid, which was dangerous and tedious. The first match, which was more straightforward to use, was developed in 1831 in Dole by Charles Soria, a 19-year-old French student. Soria had the good sense to add white phosphorus to the mixture, which would ignite with the simplest friction. The Ottoman match factory was founded in 1897. Turkish imported matches from Europe until 1929. The first factory was established in 1932 in the Büyükdere neighborhood of Istanbul. After 20 years of state monopoly, the matchmaking business was completely privatized in 1956 on the Intiwait or Vehbi Koç and left to enrich one family.
Tekel işçisi kaybederse çocukların geleceği kaybolacak. 70 milyon bilsin ki tekel işçisi kaybederse demokrasi kaybedecek. 70 milyon bilsin ki tekel işçisi kaybederse bu ülkede hukuk kaybedecek.
In 2004, the Erdogan government abandoned the match factory to rot like many other Tekel-owned factories and facilities because it was running at a loss.